What's up, everybody? Chef Round Eye here on the Griddle Food Network, where we take backyard barbecuing to the next level. If this is your first time here, thanks for checking out the channel. Consider hitting that subscribe button so you get all the notifications of all the great cooks we do on the Griddle Food Network. On today's episode, we're doing Philly cheesesteak sliders on the Blackstone Griddle. Griddle up. All right, we're gonna start off with our veggies. Baby portobello sliced up mushrooms, green peppers, and sweet onions. Shaved ribeye steak, a pound of it from the butcher. Already got a little bit of salt and pepper on there. This is gonna cook pretty quickly, and then we'll marry it up with the veggies. And hey, let me know your comments. Smash that like button. You know, tell me what you think of the recipe so far. Always love getting feedback. Love when you guys are smashing that like button. Oh, smells awesome. Let's get these married up. Meat, veggies, veggies, meat. Everything's pushed to the side. We're ready for our Hawaiian king rolls. So, gonna get these nice and toasted up. Gonna let that toast just a little bit, but I am gonna start on that bottom layer, going ahead and doing the cheese. All right, let's start adding the cheesesteak. We will take a little bit of water from Wee Wee Man. Not a lot. Let that cheese melt. Get it on the cutting board, take a bite, and see how these sliders turned out. God, I cannot wait to taste these. Woo! They look beautiful. Let's try one of these, see how they are. Yeah! Oh yeah! That's delicious. That is a great sandwich. Little slider, filling. Great taste. You can taste the light butter that was toasted on the top. We didn't burn the bottom. Cheese covered from top to bottom. All the flavor, the meat, the veggies, tastes fantastic. This is excellent. Philly cheesesteak sliders on the Griddle Food Network. Round Eye out. Griddle up.